In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an Instagram feed like this onto your Divi Builder webpage with no coding and in just a few easy steps. This is by using the Smashable Instagram Feed Pro plugin. I'll be demonstrating using the Pro version of the plugin, but you can check out the free version with less features through the WordPress repository. Right now on my WordPress site, I've already got Instagram Feed Pro installed and activated ahead of time. So we can go into that, and to create our Instagram feed, at the top we can click on Add New. For the first step of creating our feed, we can select a feed type. You can choose from several different options, like displaying posts from any user timeline, posts from any hashtag, or posts that you were tagged in as well. For this demonstration, let's go with the user timeline option, and we already have that selected, so we can click Next. For step number 2, we'll have to add a source for our feed. Let's click on Add Source, and here you'll have to choose from two different options, whether you want to go with Business Basic or Business Advanced Instagram account. With Business Basic, it will take you to Instagram and you can log in and connect it to Instagram Feed Pro. With the second option, this will take you to Facebook, and it will work if you have your Instagram business account connected to a Facebook business page. This is the option I recommend because it will give you access to all the features inside Instagram Feed Pro. Let's go ahead with this option. After selecting it, click Connect. And now it's asking us if we've connected Facebook with the plugin before. Let's click on No, and now we can click on Connect with Facebook. This will take you to Facebook, and if you're setting this up for the first time, you can see all the Facebook pages, Instagram pages, and business accounts associated with your Facebook account. I've already done this before, so I can't see the settings on my screen this time. You can select the ones associated with your Instagram feed and click on Continue. And finally, you have this pop-up here asking you to confirm if this is your domain. Click Yes, it's my domain. And now inside Instagram Feed Pro, we have our account connected, so we can select it and click on Add. Now our account is available as a source for our Instagram feed. We can select it and click on Next. Here we can choose a theme for the design of our Instagram feed. You have several options like a default, modern, social wall, outline, and overlap. Each one offers a unique design for your Instagram feed. You can choose the one that best matches your site. For this demonstration, let's go with this one here, the overlap, and click on Next. And now for the final step, choosing a template for the layout of our Instagram feed. We have options like the default, Simple Grid XL, Masonry cards, highlight, and more. For this video, let's go with the simple carousel. After selecting it, you can click on Next. And finally, we can see an awesome preview of our brand new Instagram feed right here inside the plugin. It's displaying the latest post from the account we connected, which is Green Grove Eatery. Inside each post, you can see the image or video, the profile picture from the account handle, when the post was published, a preview of the caption, and the reactions underneath. You also have a button at the bottom to view that post on Instagram. And because we selected the carousel layout, you can swipe through the different pages and see even more Instagram posts directly inside your feed. And our feed is now ready to be embedded on our Divi website. But before I show you how to do that, let me show you how we can customize this feed. On the left-hand side, under the Customize tab, you can go into Feed Layout. Here you'll find options to customize the layout of your Instagram feed. And because we chose the carousel layout before, the current layout is set to carousel, which is the one where you can swipe through the posts inside your feed. Above it, you can select the grid layout, which displays your posts in rows and columns. The third option is the Masonry layout. This one displays your posts in rows and columns with the content in their original sizes. And last but not least, we have the highlight layout. This one highlights some of your posts inside your feed in a larger thumbnail. Let's continue with the carousel layout. And if I scroll down, you can customize the carousel as well. You can modify the number of rows. Currently, you can see that we have 1, but to modify it, just open it up and you can select 2 as well. And now we have 2 rows inside our carousel. You can just as easily swipe through the posts, just like this. Let's change that back to 1. And underneath that, you can also modify the different elements inside the carousel, such as the navigation arrows, the pagination dots at the bottom, plus the option to autoplay. If you want to hide the navigation arrows or pagination dots, just deselect them like this, and they will be hidden from your feed. You can do the same thing with the navigation arrows too. You can see that they've disappeared now. Next, we can also enable autoplay, so your Instagram feed will automatically swipe through your pages like this. But for this demonstration, let's disable autoplay, and we're going to bring back the pagination dots and navigation arrows. And if you scroll down to the bottom, you can choose how many posts you want to display inside the feed initially, and you can see that currently we have 12 posts in total across 3 different pages. If you want to modify this, just type in the number of posts you want to display. For example, let's go ahead with 8. In doing so, our Instagram feed will update to only display 8 posts across 2 different pages. I'm going to change that back to 12. And down at the bottom, you can also choose how many columns you want inside your Instagram feed. Right now we have 4, but to modify it, just open this up and select the number of columns you want to display. Let's go with 3, and there we go. We now have 3 columns instead of 4. And in the same way, you can also go with a bit more, let's say 5 columns, and this is what it would look like. I think I'm pretty happy with the 4-column layout, and that looks pretty good to me. So we can click on Save Changes. Next, at the top of the feed, you'll notice that we have a header. To customize this, under the Customize tab, click on Header. Here you can customize the header at the top of your Instagram feed. At the moment, you can see that we have the text style enabled. This is a simple header you can customize down below. You can type in anything you like, for example, our latest posts. And the other options here are the standard style, which includes your profile picture, account name, and the bio for that account. Next, we have the boxed style, which features a boxed header design with the same elements as the standard. And third is the centered style. This one features the same elements once again, but now stacked in a centered layout. For this video, let's continue with the standard style. And once you choose a header style you're happy with, click on Save on the top right corner. And if you want to match your Instagram feed to the color palette of your website, under the Customize tab, click on Color Scheme. Here, by default, you can see that it's set to inherit from theme, which means that your Instagram feed will automatically match the design of your WordPress theme. Next, we have a light theme, dark theme, or even a custom theme where you can select the exact color you want for your feed, just like this. For now, I'm going to keep it on Inherit from Theme, but once you have a color scheme you're happy with, just click Save on the top right corner. And if you want control to display some posts but hide others from your feed, the plugin offers options for that too. Just go into the Settings tab and click on Filters and Moderation. Next, if we click here, Moderate your feed, this will bring you into moderation mode. We can click on Enable, and you have two different options to use this, with the Allow list and the Block list. Currently, the Allow list is selected, and this one hides all your posts by default, apart from the ones you manually choose to display inside your feed, like this. And inversely, with the Block list, all your posts will be shown by default, apart from the ones you manually choose to hide. And down at the bottom, you can also enter specific post IDs manually to hide them from your feed as well. This way, you can click and choose the exact post you want to display or hide from your feed. For now, I'm going to disable moderation mode, and we're going to go back into Filters and Moderation. And let me show you some of the filters we have inside the plugin as well. Inside this first box, if you enter any words or hashtags, your Instagram feed will only show posts containing those words or hashtags. Underneath that, if you enter any words or hashtags here, your Instagram feed will block any posts containing those. Continuing along, you can also choose to show posts based on their post type, whether you want to show photos, feed videos, or Instagram Reels. Let's say, for example, you only wanted to display Reels, you can deselect photos and feed videos. And now your Instagram feed will only display Reels, which you can see inside the preview. We'll have 4 videos instead of the other posts that we had inside our feed. For now, let's bring those back. And if you make any changes, just click on Save on the top right corner. Alright, now that I've shown you how to create and customize your Instagram feed, let me show you how we can embed it inside Divi. Just click on Embed on the top right corner, copy your dedicated shortcode, and click on Add to a page. And next, you can look for the page you want to embed your feed to. Let's go with Divi Home and click on Add. Now inside our page, we can click on Edit with the Divi Builder, and here we are now inside a Divi web page. Let me just scroll down to find where we can embed our Instagram feed. We can embed our Instagram feed right here underneath this heading. To embed it, all we have to do is add a code block, this one here, and paste our shortcode that we copied earlier, like this. After that, you can click on the green check mark. You can already see our new Instagram feed inside our Divi web page. We can now publish the page and check out what it looks like on the live website. Finally, here we are now on our live Divi web page. And if I scroll down to the bottom, you can find our brand new Instagram feed right here. This is the one that we just created together in this tutorial. At the top of the feed, you can see the header, which includes the profile picture for the account, the handle, number of posts, number of followers, and the bio on the right-hand side. Underneath that, you can see all the latest posts from this account as well. And because we chose the carousel layout, our Instagram feed is interactive, allowing you to look through the posts just like this. And if you see a post you want to take a closer look at, just click on it like this, and your Instagram feed will open up that post in a lightbox view like this. You have the content, the caption on the right-hand side, and buttons to share the post or view it on Instagram. Let's go ahead and close this. You can do the same thing with videos as well. Underneath each post, you'll find the account details, when the post was published, a preview for the caption, the number of likes, and comments too. And down at the bottom, you'll also find a button that says Follow on Instagram. If we click on that, that will take our site visitors directly to our Instagram profile, making it really easy for them to go and follow you on Instagram. And there you have it. That's how we can create a fast and responsive Instagram feed like this in just minutes and embed it on our Divi Builder webpage. If you have any questions about what I covered in this video, please let me know in the comments below. If you have any issues, please contact our awesome support team and they'd be happy to help you out. Please consider subscribing to our channel for social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.